What's happened so far in the Johnny Depp v. Amber Heard case? Supermodel Kate Moss is rumored to be called to testify in Johnny Depp's libel case against his ex-wife Amber Heard. The trial has resumed today. The movie star, who is suing Heard for a newspaper article she wrote in which she said she was abused at home, took the stand for 4 days and stated that he was the one who was abused in the relationship. A psychologist, Depp's security guards, and his talent agent were among the other witnesses testifying on his behalf in Virginia's Fairfax County Circuit Court. According to Sky News, Heard started to hit back with her side of the story at the beginning of May and has now completed her own testimony. Depp wrote notes in blood. The New York Post reported that after Depp's finger was severed in a fight on March 7, 2015, the jurors were shown messages and reminders that he had written in blood while they were residing on an Australian island and filming the 5th Pirates of the Caribbean film. He said Heard threw a bottle of vodka at him. It was all getting too crazy, he told the court. Depp claimed he began to write in my own blood on the walls because he thought he was having a nervous breakdown. Depp issued a violent warning. According to The Guardian, the jury heard an audio recording on which Depp seemed to threaten Heard with violence if their arguments got out of hand. My next move, should I choose to walk away, like it was on the island, it's going to be a bloodbath, Depp stated in the audio. Additionally, the actor was heard yelling, "Shut up, fat A," in response to Heard's advice to put your cigarettes out on someone else. You effing have to pay for what you do. Accused of having a histrionic disorder, a forensic and clinical psychologist hired by Depp stated that Heard had grossly exaggerated symptoms of PTSD in addition to histrionic and borderline personality disorders. According to the Daily Mail, Dr. Shannon Curry testified in court that Depp's legal team approached her to see if there was any proof of intimate partner violence in the relationship. She was then asked to finish a psychological evaluation of the actress. Heard has PTSD due to maltreatment. Expert psychologist Dr. Dawn Hughes testified for the defense as the first witness. She claimed that Heard developed PTSD as a result of Depp abusing her physically and sexually. According to Sky News, the proceedings took a darker turn when Hughes detailed in detail the alleged abuse that had been told to her over the course of the 29 hours that she had been assessing Heard. Numerous abuse allegations. Earlier this month, Heard took the stand for 2 days, claiming that Depp had repeatedly hit and mistreated her. Late reversal on Depp's testimony. On Monday, it became unexpected that Heard's team had intended to bring Depp back to the stand for additional questioning, but had abruptly changed their plans. Her attorneys brought in an orthopedic surgeon with expertise in hand procedures that same day. According to Dr. Richard Moore's testimony, Depp's claim that Heard hit his hand with a glass bottle was inconsistent with the injuries he received to his finger following an incident in Australia. In his testimony, Dr. David Spiegel, a psychiatrist with expertise in intimate partner violence, stated that Depp exhibited behaviors typical of someone who engages in intimate partner violence. Spiegel, Depp's attorneys countered, had not examined Depp in real life. In the meantime, a witness from the entertainment business claimed that Heard might have lost up to $50 million in income as a result of the disparaging remarks made by Depp and his lawyer. After the couple's high-profile split in 2016, Catherine Arnold used the example of comparable actors to calculate what Heard's career trajectory might have been in the absence of the disparaging remarks made by Depp and his lawyer Adam Waldman.